Warrant Officer Ndlovu.
My apologies, my lord. The witness still has to read in paragraph 8.
Thank you.
Paragraph 8. The result were penned on a CD and sealed in a forensic bag number PA 6500005483 and kept into the safe waiting to be collected by investigating officer.
Athi lapho ke ngaphansi kwa paragraph 8 ekubhalwe ukuthi wona ke iziphumo zalapho ke kade bethathile sefaka ngaphakathi kwe-CD ngemuva kwalokho sefaka ngaphakathi kwe-forensic bag esikhwama leso sofakazi ke esinale nombolo ezilandelayo ke lapho kathi PA 6500005483 bese ngemuva kwalokho bayithatha befaka ngaphakathi kwe-safe ke lapho bamele ukuthi umseshi wecala aze ayithatha ke lapho.
Okay, thank you, Warrant Officer Ndlovu. Now, let's start. Can you explain to the court what is an SD card?
Bacela utshele inkosi enkantolo ke fakazi ukuthi ngabe yini SD card.
I-SD card i-card nyana elincane lelabalibiza memory card olifaka ngaphakathi kwefoni elistora i-data.
The SD card, it is a small card which people they normally refer it to as a memory card. You place it inside a cell phone to keep, not to store a data.
Thank you. And then you also made mention of a security pattern. Can you elaborate more? What is that?
Futhi ukhulumile ke ngodaba lo security pattern. Ungatshela inkosi enkantolo ngogcwele ukuthi ngabe ubusho ini uqonde usho ini ke ngodaba lolo mhlawumbe ngenkulumo lelo.
Uma ngikhuluma nge-pattern umnikazi wefoni uyisetha as i-security.
When I'm talking about a pattern, it simply means the owner of the cell phone. He and she usually set it as a security.
And then wenzela ukuthi uma ngabe ifoni ingekho kuye angeke ukhona ukwenza ukufona or ukwenza ini ngefoni ngoba isuke ivalekile.
Therefore, this means that if the owner of the said cell phone is not around, therefore a second person cannot be able to make an outgoing call, not to receive a phone call, simply because of the cell phone would be locked.
Yingakho nami ngingakwazanga ukwenza i-cellphone ngoba nganganayo le pattern. Yingakho ifoni singakhona ukuyi-download.
Therefore, that is the reason as to why I did not be therefore that is the reason as to why I was not able to download the cell phone. No evidence from the cell phone because the owner of the cell phone was not present.
So now, in simple terms, this pattern is a pattern that you have to input into the device.
Athi-ke manje amagama usho ke i-pattern kumele ukuthi beyi-pattern umuntu ayifake ngaphakathi ku-cell phone.
Yebo, i-pattern yenziwa ngumnikazi wefoni to protect i-data yakhe.
Yes, the pattern it is made, it is being stored, made by the owner of the cell phone so that it can protect the data from the cell phone.
Does this pattern, and correct me if I'm wrong, does it work like a signature wherein only the person that signs can repeat the exact same pattern?
Athi-ke manje uma yenza isibonelo ngathi usho ukuthi i-pattern le isebenza njenge-signature-ke usuthi umuntu uma ngabe ingasayinile lapho ngeke ikhona ukusebenza noma isebenza njani?
Ngingavuma ukuthi isebenza kanjalo ngoba umuntu oyenzile umuntu ongakhona ukuvula le pattern.
I can agree with you in terms of that because the only person who can be able to unlock the cell phone, it is the person who has made the pattern on the cell phone.
Or ngaphandle kwalo uma ngabe umuntu obamba masinya umnikazi uma ngabe ekhomba i-pattern yakhe ukuthi ihamba kanje yila ungakhona ukuyivula khona ungomunye umuntu.
Not unless if the owner of the cell phone gets to teach you, not to show you as to how the pattern is being unlocked. Therefore, you can be able to unlock it.
Thank you, Warrant Officer Ndlovu. You also made mention of the fact that when the phone is locked, there are things that you cannot do on the phone. Can you just mention those activities? Let me just say activities that you cannot do on the phone.
But ukhulume ke manje nezinto umuntu angeke akhone ukuthi azenze uma ngaba ifoni beyilokhile. Manje cela usitshele ke manje ukuthi yini umuntu angeke akhona ukuyenza uma ngabe ifoni beyilokhile.
Okay. Okokuqala ifoni mangabe ilokhile angeke ukwazi ukwenza i-call eyangaphandle.
Firstly, the first thing or the first activity that one cannot be able to make if the cell phone it is locked, you cannot be able to make an outgoing call.
Kodwa ungayireceive i-call engenayo.
However, you can be able to receive an incoming call,
And then angeke ukwazi ukutype i-message ephumayo.
and you cannot be able to type and send a message that is going to a second person.
No message ongenayo uyokhona ukubona ukuthi ungenile kodwa nakufanele ufunde in details angeke ufunde uma ngabe ungavulanga ipattern.
And also with a message, no SMS that is reflecting on the cell phone, you can see its notification. However, you cannot be able to read through the message without opening the pattern of the cell phone.
And then angeke ukwazi ukwenza njenge police call ifone mangabe ne pattern ngoba izobe ivaliwe.
And also you cannot be able to make a please call me if the cell phone has a pattern and if the cell phone it is locked.
Are you able to access an application such as WhatsApp when your phone is locked?
Manje bafuna ukwazi ukuthi ngabe ungakhona ukuvula uWhatsApp womuntu mangabe ifoni eyilokhiwe.
Cha ngeke ukwazi.
No, you cannot be able to do that.
I want to refer you to evidence before this court. This page on your bundle of evidence, my lord, this is an extract from Exhibit DD, paragraph 2, DD2, cell phone records of accused number 2, my lord. It was admitted before this court. The highlighted portions, that's correct.
Athi lawa highlight khona ukuthi akuthi sibheke lapho ke mayana nodaba locingo la kamsola wesibili ke lapho ke.
Just it's that page is comprises of please call me.
But likhasi ligcwele ke ama please call me.
Yebo ngiyayibona.
Yes, I do see that.
Can you just place on record the first highlighted portion, just that one, the date and time?
Bacela usitshele ngalena yokuqalayo ilanga lakhona ke futhi nesikhathi esibhaliwe lapho ke.
Okay, ithi i-date bekumhla ka-02.
No. 1, 2, 3, my apologies. 1, 2, 3 highlighted portion. Yes. 0906.
Athi lapho ku 0906.
Okay, ithi start date ithi umhla ka-9/06/2020 isikhathi u-09:43:51 minutes. Then inumber ithi 072 072 ngathi u-038-6002.
And then just lastly, the CTT description.
CTT ithi PCM bese ithi U02.
Okay,
Then
thank you.
Kade ufunda ke lapho ke mana nodaba lo kade bebuza ngalo ke wathi ilanga lapho ke no the date it's 09 of the 6th month of 2020, then the time would be 09:43:51 seconds. Then the other party, there's a cell phone number there which is 072-038-6002. Then on the CTT description it will be PCM then dash U02.
Okay, thank you. And then just one last entry here. 4 August 2020 at 10:37.
Wathi ngelanga la nge-4 zaka August unyaka 2020, 24 August 2020, the time
12:42.
isikhathi 12:42.
okay
Sicela sifundele lapho ke.
okay i-date ithi 24/08/2020 isikhathi u-12:42 2 seconds. Inumber ithi 067 33 03332. Then CCT description ithi PCM dash U02.
Then the date would be the 24th, then the month would be 08, and then of 2020. Then the time would be 12:42, 42 minutes and 02 seconds. Then the cell phone number, it reads as follows: 067 33 03 332. Then under CCT description, it will be PCM-U02.
Okay, thank you. And then lastly, the one that comes right after the one you just placed on record, just to place this evidence in the proper context.
Bacela ufunde elandelayo la ngenzansi kwale qeqedo uyifunda ke mnumzana.
I-date kusese umhla ka-24/08/2020, isikhathi u-13:04:40 seconds, inamba ithi 072 619 1698. Then ICT description ithi PCM U02.
Then the date would be 24/08/2020. Then the time would be 1300 hours, 04 minutes and 40 seconds. And then under the other party, the cell phone number would be 076 619 1698. Then under CTT description, it reads as follows: PCM-02, no, -U02.
Okay, now PCM, we've been told in this court that it means please call me.
But it's about PCM, then can't please call me.
Does it then follow that the phone belonging to accused number 2 sent a please call me to the other number?
No, Lord, I've let this thing slide with the aim of finding out where we are going. Unless I'm told as well that this witness is an expert on cell phone analysis, like the Ms. Viti Langem that came to testify here, I'll submit that this evidence is irrelevant. The relevant people regarding this have testified, and I've said to this court, and I'll say it ad nauseam, we haven't disputed the records as they are. I've said we don't dispute those records. The evidence speaks for itself on the record. So I'm not sure where this line of questioning is going. I thought this witness came here to introduce the 16 photos, but to the evidence of the cell phone record that at this particular time, X number, please call me Y number. I don't think it's within the purview of this witness, my lord. That's the court places.
Yes, Dr. Sibanda.
The issue is, the defense said this particular device was not in possession of the accused, right? And what I'm trying to demonstrate to the court is that the person that has the pattern can unlock and can be able to perform those transactions the witness is trying to place on record.
As it pleases the court. My lord, unless this witness here, with the greatest of respect, has got a crystal glass, is a clairvoyant to see who had the phone at the time this PCM were made, then he can answer that question. Other than that, and I maintain, this witness cannot be asked these questions, this line of questions. The application, why we are here, my lord, is purely because of DD4B, the introduction of the additional photos, not to be asked about something that doesn't fall within his expertise and that he did not testify to previously, my lord. That's the court, please.
Sorry, Doctor, is the gentleman, Mr. Ndlovu,
Yes.
Warrant Officer Ndlovu, sorry. Is he trained in this type of evidence?
He can comment, my lord, yes. He did receive training.
Yeah,
on cell phone.
maybe show that we don't waste time. Show that.
I think we have made our point, we'll move on to other aspects.
Hello?
We have made our point, we'll move on.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Thank you. My apologies for that. Let's proceed. Now you said you downloaded the phone and then you also placed the said cell phone in a forensic bag, and then you also indicated that you banned a CD. Can you explain that concept of banning a CD?
Wathi manje wakhipha kongaphakathi ngaphakathi komakhalekhukhwini lokwakhipha ke ngemuva kwalokho ke wenza ucwaningo lomsebenzi wakho ke bese mqeda kwenza umsebenzi wakho ufaka ngaphakathi kwe-forensic bag, ufaka ngaphakathi lokho kufaka ngaphakathi kwe-CD. Ngabe busho ukuthini inkulumo yakho ke leyo?
Bengichaza ukuthi uma ngabe sengiqedile uku-extracta le data engiyenzayo ngibese ngiyifaka ku-CD ukuze iphume ku-computer yami.
I meant to say, after I was done extracting the data that I had extracted from the cell phone, I then
CD.
I then placed it inside the CD. CD.
Then ngifaka ku-exhibit bag as exhibit, then
I then placed it inside the exhibit bag as a CD.
Then bese ngiyayisila.
After doing so, I then sealed the bag.
Bese ngiyifaka safe, then ilinda i-investigating officer uma ngabe ezo-collecta i-data yakhe.
I then took the exhibit bag and placed it inside a safe, so that to keep it safe inside the safe, so that it can wait for IO to come and fetch the bag.
Thank you. Now I would like to refer you to Exhibit 6, the actual downloads that you have done. Can you look on the screen?
Exhibit 6.
Can you identify what you see on the screen?
Yebo ngiyabona i-table of content, then in a summary, case data, device general information, files and pictures, files audios, files videos, file archives, file unrecognized, then XRY system logs.
Yes, I can see there is a table of content. Njalo ukuthi yabona ke ngaphakathi lesikhathi ukuthi yini abayibhalile lapho ke bayakhuluma lokubhaliwe ke ngesikhathi kade ebota lapho athi uqala ubhalisa summary ukuthi inkulumo yeliphile ekade case data kasathi data device / general information ikhulwayo ejwayelekile lapho ke bathi ifile bese ngaphakathi kwefile bese slash uthi ama-ithombe ama-pictures imenzansi lapho ama-files bese slash uthi ama-audio ke lapho ke files / videos files / archives uthi bathi files / unrecognized. So we make XRY system and then block.
So is this now the information that you downloaded from the SD card?
So SD card. That is correct.
Can you confirm it's still the same information?
Yes, nothing has changed.
Can you also confirm that you store the information in this format?
That is so.
Can you also confirm that the information starts from page 1 to page 544.71?
Less 5,471. That is correct.
Thank you. Now let's now refer to Exhibit DD4A.
DD4A.
My lord, in your bundle of evidence, it's marked, it's page 1, it's a photograph.
Page 1.
Yes.
This one.
No, you can page through, my lord.
Okay. Page through.
Yes.
And then it's DD4.
Yes, A.
A.
Capital A, yes.
Yeah. Is it A to B?
Oh, mine was incorrectly marked. My apologies, my lord. It's B.
Okay. Okay.
Also Okay. The first photo is on the screen.
Wathi kunethombe ke sikhona kule sikhangiso ke.
Can you confirm that it's one of the photos that are in your downloads?
Ngabe ungakuvuma ukuthi isithombe leso sikhona ngalana kule sikhangiso isona sithombe asithola ngesikhathi udownloada le.
Yebo ngiyavuma ukuthi lesithombe siyafana lesinoma lesi esila sibheke phezulu bese lesi sinqumeka phela.
Yes, I can agree that this picture looks more the same with that picture. The only difference, this picture, it is faced up, and then that picture, it is faced on the side. Way.
Thank you.
And then
And then can you also place the on record the page number where we'll find this photo on?
My apologies, doctor. I think the stenographer wants to say something.
Can you then place on the record the page number as per your downloads where we can find this photo?
Bacethu sitshele ke malana nekhasi ke la kuna nodaba lama-download la singathola khona ke isithombe lesi uthi ikhasi liphi ke lelo.
lesi isithombe engisiphethe la kimi sithi siwu page number 954.
The photo that it is before me, it states, no, it reads as follows, page 954.
What were on this photo? I want us to now, okay, you want to say something?
La angimboni lo page 954.
The witness says,
Okay, nangiya SID.
Uthini baba?
Nangiya u594 ngifuna ukubona page number lo. So
Yes,
nangiya
I
on
get
the
to
side.
see the page number, therefore he says the page number it is stipulated on the side.
So it is still on the same page.
It's ngaphansi kwecastle lot.
Yebo.
Yes.
Now I want to then refer you to the proceedings of the 8th of August 2023.
Athi ufisa ukuthi sikhulume ngokushicilelo la ngaphambi kwenkantolo ngelanga la nge-8 zaka-August ngonyaka 2023.
On page 13,
Lapho Castle 13.
these documents. And then I will read what the document says.
Athi ufundeka ukuthi idocument lithini lapho lona noma
Okay.
babhale ini ngaphakathi kulona.
Okay, in fact you can read the highlighted portion.
Athi kahle kahle ukuthi umfundele la kubhalwe khona-ke bese ba-highlighter khona.
Okay, page 13. And then indawo highlighted it read as follows. Now accused 2 instructs me that he has never had this beard here. In fact, he does not grow on him, and he has never had an O-shaped beard like you say the second suspect had, and furthermore that he has always kept the goatee, and then the one that you see here in court from as long as he can remember.
Kade afuna ukufakaza mayelana nenkulumo eshicilelwe la ngaphambi kwenkantolo ke eshicilelwe ngelanga la nge-13 zaka-August ngonyaka 2023 la wathi khona-ke manje-ke umsolwa wesibili athi umtshela lokhu okulandelayo ukuthi nakakaze-ke futhi abe nayo-ke intshebe futhi akahlahle intshebe ayikaze yakhula-ke kuyena-ke futhi nakakaze abe nentshebe losho ukuthi ehamba njengo-ola kuyena-ke futhi njengoba wona kusho lapho-ke noma ukuthi lo muntu wesibili kade enentshebe enjalo-ke lapho-ke futhi unjogi nakakaze futhi abe nayo-ke le goatee la kuyena-ke futhi nanoma khona nanoma futhi umbona la ngaphambi kwenkantolo-ke futhi noma futhi angakhona akhumbulile ukuthi akakaze nje abe nayo.
Thank you. Can you also place on record who said that?
Ecela ukuthi ubhale usho futhi ubani ukhulume leyo nkulumo leyo-ke.
Kubhalwe la now accused number 2,
Before that,
Bathi phambi kwalokho babhale ini?
Mr. Ramusipili.
Mr. Ramusipili.
Now
no, it's fine.
Athi akulungile.
Now, what is your comment regarding the photo that I've just shown you, as well as what was put to the witness regarding the O-shaped beard?
Athi-ke manje mina nodaba lwenkulumo eqeda uyifuna njengamanje futhi udaba lwesithombe lesi kade besivezile lesikhangiso lesi uma uqhathanisa phakathi kwenkulumo lekhona ngapha futhi nalokho okubona nje sithombe yini ongathanda ukuthi utshele inkosi enkantolo?
Maybe the state needs to clarify the functionality that this witness has come to give here. Now the state is now trying to siphon, what do you call it now, a personal opinion from this witness. We don't know if this witness is qualified to give a comment on what the state is requesting him to comment
I
on.
thought he's asking him about what is, sorry, Doctor, are you asking about the picture?
Yes,
It's not your personal opinion.
it's an observation.
You're pointing to a picture and you say, he must tell you this. Okay.
My lord, this is an unfair question, and I'll state the reason why. The witness is shown a picture, which is fair, I don't have a problem with that, and asked, can you comment as to the beard type that is portrayed of the person that is on that photograph? Yet the state fails to do one of the fundamental things when you cross a witness of the caliber of Warrant Officer Ndlovu. There's a photograph that was displayed. That photograph has got properties. The properties will, amongst others, show you when this picture was taken. As the court pleases, madam.
We are getting to that, and we are getting to that.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Yeah, let's hear you.
And in the operative word, there is never.
I hear you.
Never. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Do you have a comment?
Kanti khona le ongafisa ukuthi ukhulume mnumzana?
Let's repeat that question again, because Mr. Ramasipili interposed.
My question was, it was put to this witness that accused and underlying the word never kept an O-shaped beard. So what is your comment in relation to what you see on the screen?
Bathi uzula umbuzo. Okay.
Okay, engingakusho mina kwinkosi yenkantolo ukuthi noma athi akaze abe nazo kodwa ubuka kulesithombe ngoba uma ngichaza le O shape umuntu mambuka izindevu lezi ziqala la uzibone la emasayidini then zizela. So
My lord, kancane baba, kancane futhi. The witness, as he was explaining towards, about pertaining to his observations from what he see on the picture, comparing it to the statement that was placed on the witness that the accused number 2 has never had an O-shaped beard. He has made use of his point fingers to make an example on his facial by going around from the mustache to the side of the lips up to the lower part of the chin. Khuluma futhi?
okuwukuthi la mangibuka lo muntu ola esithombeni kukhomba ukuthi ngalesikhathi ethatha lesithombe wayenawo lo round shape wezindevu.
And then the witness further says that as he is observing from the picture that is depicted, he says during the time this person took this picture of himself, he had the beard that is more of an O shape.
Thank you. And then you now rightly so spoke about a time when this photo was taken. Are you able to tell from your set of data when was the photo taken?
What if you come again ngesikhathi ke manje ungakhona ukukhuluma yini ukuthi isikhathi abathatha ngaso sithombe leso isikhathi?
Uyakhona ukubona ngawo uya ku details ye photo njengoba ubona lapha.
You are only able to see that if you peruse through the details under the picture, just like as you see from the screen.
Are you able to see? 'Cause I'm trying to rotate the picture so that you can stand just like that. Are you able to tell from where you are? You can move to the screen, and then you come back and place the information on record.
Nali bhotweni baba. Ungasikhombala isikhathi nakho sibona lapho ngelanga.
Kune-date la at 2020-06-10 isikhathi 11:19:59 minutes. And uma ngathi ubuya phezulu kancane,
My lord,
it says created. That's the date isithombe esithathwe ngayo this.
then the witness, my lord, is just read from the point where it reads as follows: created. Then the date would be,
No, when I created the date, it's the same date.
and the date would be 2020/06/10. Then the time would be 1100 hours dash 19 minutes and 59 seconds.
Just for the record, just repeat the same information so that the stenographer is able to capture.
Ngicela ukuthi futhi usiphindeleke mayelana nolwazi olubhaliwe lapho-ke umnyaka nesikhathi sesithombe.
Isithombe sikhonjwe usathathwa ngomnyaka 2020-06-10 isikhathi kwaku 11:19 minutes 59 seconds.
Then the year would read as follows: 2020/06/10. Then the time would read as follows: 1100 hours, and then dash 19 minutes and 59 seconds.
And then are you able to tell from that set of data what was used to take that photo?
Ngabe yakhona kusitshela mayelana ne-data ukuthi basebenzisa siyiphi-ke indlela ekutheni isithombe lesi? Ungayiduze naso baba?
Just check if this mic cannot move there. This one, yes.
Okay, isithombe kusasathathwa ngalo ubona la masithi pad then sithi DCI camera okusho ukuthi iyathathwa ngawo umakhalekhukhwini lo isithombe lesi.
And then we are able to tell under the path that there is DCIM then slash camera. So therefore this means that this picture was taken with the said cell phone.
Then la phezulu uma ungabheka iyasho.
And then at the top, if you can read now, if you could look at the top bottom of the text, it also stipulates that.
Then it will say now it equip model iyasho equip maker Samsung phone ayithatha. Then
Under
model
the-
the SMJ5.
Under metadata, it reads as follows: the witness here said this picture was taken by equip maker, which is a Samsung, and then the equip model, which is SMJ5.
Thank you. And then that Samsung J5, is it the same J5 that you received from Sergeant Mohane for downloading?
Bathi manje le Samsung J5 ngabe iyona ke wethola ku Sergeant Mohane ithi download konke kade khona ngaphakathi kuyona.
Kunjalo.
That is correct.
Thank you. Now let's move to the second picture. It's on page 2, my lord.
Isithombe sesibili ke lapho kwesikhasi lesibili.
What is your comment in that, with regard to that photo?
Bathi yini ongathanda ukuthi uyikhulumeke noma ungayisho mayelana nesithombe lesi mnumzana? Ngomhlonishwa.
Akukho engakusho phandle ukuthi ngibona umuntu ogqoke isigqoko esimnyama iskipa esiyelo.
There's
Then the
nothing-
page number ithi 2358.
There's nothing further that I can say other than that what I'm observing from this picture, I see a person who is wearing a black hat with a yellowish t-shirt, and then also a page number which reads as follows: 2358.
And then with regard to what Mr. Tumelo Mazala say regarding the O-shaped beard, what is your observation?
bathi malana nodaba lakho ngeke umnumzana Ntombi Madlala ke malana umuntu othi unendevu o-shape yini ongathanda ukuthi uyikhulumeke lapho ke.
That question is incorrect. Ask the witness himself what he perceives and sees there.
What is your observation?
And then you can submit data
What-
about Tumelo Madlala.
What
whether
is your
it's the same or
observation
not.
there?
Bathi yini ibonayo ke lapho mnumzana?
Engikubonayo umuntu ogqoke isigqoko esimnyama unayo intshebe ehamba sort of O shape ogqoke iskipa esiye.
What I see on the picture is a person who is wearing a black hat with a yellowish t-shirt and an O-shaped beard.
And then do you know when the photo was taken?
Ngabe unalo ulwazi ukuthi isithombe siwathatha nini ke?
Ngicela uphinde ngathi uyasikhuphula nyana.
May you please scroll up a bit?
Okay, engikubonayo nalesi sithombe sathathwa ngale phone Samsung J5.
What I can see is the picture was taken with a cell phone Samsung J5.
And then this card, okay, it's common that it was deleted, the photo line.
Then this picture, it also stipulates that this picture was deleted. My apologies, my lord.
And then we date anyone out 2020 0604 is cut to 14 17 29 seconds.
And then the time it reads as follows: 2020/06/04. And then the time would be 1400 hours, 17 minutes, and 29 seconds.
Yilokho engikubona.
That is all that I can see.
Thank you. Was it still taken with the same Samsung J5 that you received from Sergeant Mohan?
Manje umbuzo ukuthi ngabe isithombe lesi basithatha ngale Samsung J5 owayithola uSargeant Mokhane?
Kunjalo ikhomba kanjalo.
Yes, that is so. It reads as it is.
Okay. Can this XRY, is it XRY program that you use, can it also retrieve photos that were deleted?
Bathi manje le system enisebenzisayo futhi XRY ingabe iyakhona ukuthi iphinde ibuyise futhi izithombe ezicishiwe noma izithombe ezadelete.
Kunjalo njengoba ikhomba lapho isithombe sesideletiwe.
It is so same as it states on the picture, and it states that this said picture was deleted.
Thank you. Now let's move to page number 3 of exhibit DD4B.
Athi manje xa isithombe sesithathu-ke lapho sofakazi baka DD4B.
What is your observation?
Bathi yini uyibonayo-ke lapho?
La ngibona umuntu ongabonakali kahle kodwa ogqoke ngathi kuyi track suit emnyama ngaphansi bese babomvu ngaphezulu bese ugqoke nalesigqoko se track suit.
Here I see a person that is, and the face of the person it is not as clear, and the person is wearing a tracksuit that has a hood on it, and then it's on the top of the tracksuit it is red in color, and then at the lower bottom of the tracksuit it is black in color.
And then page number uthi 2378.
Then the page number it is 2378.
Thank you. And then on your set of data, there on the screen, can you confirm that it's among the photos that you downloaded?
Bathi avuma ukuthi isithombe lesi sikule ithombe owayidownload.
Kunjalo.
That is so.
And then let's just do the same exercise. When was it taken? With what? And then what is the status of that photo during the downloading?
Ngicela ukuthi usitshele ukuthi ngabe isithombe ukuthatha nini-ke lapho-ke ngasiphi isikhathi. May you please scroll up a bit again?
Isithombe sikhomba ukuthi sathathwa ngayo Samsung J5.
Then this picture was taken by a cell phone, which is Samsung J5.
And then sikhomba naso ukuthi sadilithwa.
And then it also states that this picture was deleted.
And then i-date nesikhathi esathathwa ngayo nala uyakhona ukusibona sithi 2020 i-date enyangeni yesi-11 ngomhla ka-12 isikhathi kwaku-17:38 1 second.
Then the time in which this picture was taken, it was during the year 2020, and then on the 11th month, and then on the 12th, and then the time would be 1700 hours, 38 minutes, and 1 second.
Thank you. You also described the type of clothing that the person depicted on page 3 is wearing. Can you just go in detail with regard to that?
Ukhulume mayelana nesikhangiso noma nengubo ayigqokile ukuthi khona ke sithombe lesithathu ke lesi kasitshele kabanzi ke ngaso.
Ngibona umuntu ogqoke i-tracksuit imnyama bese ukusuka la esifubeni ukuya phezulu ibomvu.
I see a person who's wearing a tracksuit. Underneath, from the chest going to the lower body part of the person, it is black in color. And then from the chest going to the upper part of the body, it is red in color.
Bese ugqoke isigqoko.
And then he's wearing a hat.
Bese ebusweni akabonakali kahle.
And then his face, it is not clear enough.
Thank you. Now let's move to page 4 of Exhibit DD4B.
Okay,
I think page 2379, it's a more clearer picture.
Page number 2379 athi yona etshakala kahle ngendlela eqondile.
Kunjani?
That is so.
Then you can just look at the screen once more. What is your observation?
Nala ngibona umuntu ogqoke i-tracksuit efana kulesithombe esidlule kuso emnyama ufika la esifubeni then ibomvu ukuya phezulu. And
Even
then
on the screen, I see a person who is wearing a tracksuit that has two colors. From the chest going to the waist of the person, it is black in color. Then from the chest to the upper part of the body, it is red in color. And he's wearing a hat.
I need this.
okunye ngibona ubuso bakhe buyabonakala umuntu okhanyayo and then
And also, I can see his face. He is more light in complexion.
okunye unayo intshebenyana encane ehamba cishe round kanti.
And also, he has a beard that is shaped in an O shape.
Yilokho engikubonayo.
That's all that I can see.
I will need clarification here. You're saying it's a tracksuit with a hat. Can you just explain exactly? Is this a hat now attached to the tracksuit? What is the position there?
Awusitshele ngokugcwele-ke mnumzane wathi ukhuluma ukuthi umuntu lo ogqoke i-tracksuit ke na-ke futhi nemibala emibili yahlukile futhi ugqoke isigqoko-ke manje isigqoko lesagqokile ngabe isigqoko esihlangene nale tracksuit ayigqokile noma isigqoko singahlangene nale tracksuit ayigqokile.
Kunjalo ugqoke i-tracksuit enesigqoko kodwa usithwele isigqoko.
He's wearing a tracksuit that it has a hat, that the hat is attached to the tracksuit, and he's wearing the hat of the tracksuit.
In this court, we are told that type of clothing is called a hoodie. Is that what you are referring to?
Question. The description should come from the witness.
But it's now evidence before this court, my lord, that is a hoodie, but I will not argue the point, my lord. Thank you.
But you have not fully described that tracksuit.
That's what I'm trying to get into for him to
Okay,
give a
fine,
proper
fine.
description.
All right, fine.
And then the details on that photograph.
But bathi imininingwane ebhaliwe ngaphansi kwesithombe lesi-ke Scroll up.
Okay. Is card.
Okay, the time,
Date, it 2020, 11, 12.
the date it reads as follows, 2020/11 month, and then the date will be the 12th.
Then is card 1738, 1 second.
And then the time it reads as follows, 1700 hours, 38 minutes, and 01 second.
Then sisakhomba ukuthi sithathwe iSamsung J5.
And then the picture was taken with the Samsung J5.
And
The date for the date when was that picture taken?
Sicela-ke ummeli athi akatholile ke ilanga leli ukuthi isithombe sakhe angaliphiki ilanga. Ilanga leli futhi isithombe ngaso bakumzana.
Ngibona lesikhathi esithi original time kodwa la angisiboni.
The witness is saying that he has read from where there is, no, where it states original time.
Okay.
However, he does not see the date below the picture.
When was it taken?
Yes.
Oh, thank you, my lord.
do you know what this type of clothing that is depicted on that photo is famously known as?
Bathi ngabe unalo yini ulwazi lengubo egqokwe lo muntu okhona lesithombe ukuthi bayibiza ukuthi bayibiza ngani igama lengubo egqokwe lo muntu ngapha lokho akugqokile kuyena.
Tracksuit, usajezi, elinesigqoko.
It's a tracksuit, more of a jersey that has a hat on it.
What is it commonly called?
Ngaba shothi bayibiza ngegama liphi ke? Angithi hayi ngokhuluma nami ngokhuluma nommeli
The
kwesenkantolo.
witness is obvious, he doesn't know.
I don't know, it's tracksuit.
As a court, please.
Yeah, it's like fashion.
Court,
See,
please.
I'm wearing. Never mind.
As a court, please.
Mr. Who is it? Warrant officer. Just show him that picture again. You haven't fully described that tracksuit. It has got sleeves, and the sleeve has got a two-toned. Two-toned colors. One color at the top, one color at the bottom. Please just describe what you see. If you don't see that, fine, no problem.
Nomzana Ndlovu, inkosi enkantolo ethi woza ngapha. Iyakuthi isiteleke ngogcwele mayana. Nempahla phecelezi lezi gqoko lokuthi impahla zinike lezi. Ngoba ingubo ayibesithi yinike lena. Ngoba inkosi enkantolo esho bona ibona ke imibala emibili ke khona la ke impahla. Uma ngubhekile impahla yini ubonakala ngapha.
Njengoba ngichazile wasekuqaleni,
Yebo.
ingubo le ayigqokile i-sort of i-tracksuit.
Yeah.
La ngaphansi imnyama.
Right.
Ukusuka la isukela ukuya phezulu ibomvu.
Right.
And then inesigqoko esihlangene nayo esibomvu ngaphakathi simnyama.
Right.
Uyakhona
Just
ukusibona.
like this.
Bese
Nana. Usebenza ngabafuni nako la. Ingakhulu wedwa ngicela nomzana. About the pictures, he has made mention that it is a tracksuit, and then from the chest going downwards, not to the waist of the person or that is wearing the tracksuit, it is black in color. And then from the chest to the upper part to the shoulders, it is red in color. And then there's a hat that is attached to the tracksuit. It is red in color on the outside of the tracksuit. And then inside the tracksuit, he has said that it is black in color.
bese la emikhonweni
Yeah.
imikhono ibomvu kodwa la egcineni bese iba mnyama futhi.
The sleeves, on the sleeves,
Yes.
it is it is in two colors. It is red and then on the bottom it is black in color. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I see also.
Ngiyabonga inkosi enkantolo futhi yasho ukuthi lokho ekubonile.
Thank you. Now let's move to Exhibit DD4A.
Sesapha ku exhibit DD4A.
On my left is the picture that you just gave a full description of, and on my right is Exhibit BB before this court, identikit.
Athi-ke lapho ke uma yena ebhekile lapha esandleni sakhe sobunxele ile sithombe bositshela ngaso la ngaphambi inkosi enkantolo. Kepha esandleni sokudla athi isithombe esikhethekile abethi exhibit kit.
Now, what are your observations regarding Exhibit DD4A?
Bathi manje yini ke uyibonayo mana nofakazi okhona la ngaphakathi ku exhibit DD4A?
My Lord, just for ease of reference, I just put together in one page Exhibit DD4A B as well as Exhibit BB, just for this witness to comment. It's not like it's a new exhibit, my Lord.
Kade asho khona ke umshoshisi lapho kohlanganiseke izithombe ezimbili asukuthi ufakazi obusha lapho futhi izithombe lezi ade bekhuluma ngazo lezi ehlangene lana ke lesikhangiso.
Okay, engingakusho engikubonayo Nkosi enkantolo. Kulesi sithombe umuntu ogqoke isigqoko ile sithombe esidlule kuzo. Nale tracksuit enesigqoko esibovu ebomvu kufika esifubeni ukufika la.
My Lord, the witness is saying that what he can see from the picture in which he has just pointed out, he is saying that it is the picture that we just dealt with. And then you can see a person who is wearing a hat with a tracksuit that has a hat, and then it is reddish in color, and it also has got a black color on it.
Kunjani? Bese kulesi sithombe lesi akukho okuningi engingakusho. Kulesi sithombe lesi akukho okuningi engingakusho phandle kokuthi nala lo muntu uyabonakala ukuthi ugqoke isigqoko asikhombi umbala.
From the picture that the witness has just pointed out again, that is on the left side from the direction which I'm standing, left side. He says this picture is dark in color, and then he can see that this person is wearing a hat.
Okunye ngikhona ukubona kuvela inwele la.
Then what he says that he can see that from where the witness has just pointed out, he says he can see a hair.
Ukukhomba ngathi inwele ezinde so ngaba ma dreads something like that.
And then he says that it looks as if it's a long hair, more of a dreadlock.
And then ngikhona ukubona indebe lezi o shape la.
And then from where he was from where he has pointed out again, he says he can see a beard that is like an O shape.
Then nala kunentshebe yabayibiza uswayini la. Uswayini nesizulu.
Mana, my Lord, for lack of a better word, the witness and then for lack of a better word, my Lord, the witness, he has just pointed out again a beard that is called swine in isiZulu.
Engingakusho kulesi sithombe lezinwele asibonakala ngoba kumnyama la ngaphakathi.
The witness has just pointed out from the brighter picture again, where the person is wearing clothes that he has made mention of the colors. He says, pertaining to that picture, you cannot be able to see the hair of the person.
Then nale njebe engiyibonayo la angiyiboni.
And also the beard that he saw from his picture, that is more darker. He does not see it from the picture that is more bright in color.
Yilokho engingakubona.
That is all that I can say.
I might have missed this. And then the O-shaped beard.
Sithe wena ke ngathi uyona ke.
Iyabonakala nalama yona isabonakala nala iyabonakala.
The witness is saying that the beard is still visible. The person can see the beard from both pictures.
Now let's move to page 5.
This is question sesihlanu ke lapho.
Page 2382.
Ikhasi elibhaliwe enzansi lapho ku-2382.
Still the same page.
Ikhasi elilodwa.
Kunjani?
Yes.
Page 6.
Ikhasi lesithupha.
2384.
Ikhasi elibhala lapho enzansi kusho page 2384.
Then what are your observations?
Bathi yini kuyibonayo lapho ke?
Ngicabanga ukuthi kusese isithombe esifanayo nalesi esisibhekile.
I think it is still the same picture with the picture that we just went through.
Umehluko ukuthi usagqoke ingubo efanayo, usasithwele isigqoko, kodwa la umuntu uyabonakala ukuthi uyahleka.
The only difference is the person, he's still wearing the same type of clothing that he was wearing from the previous pictures. However, in this picture, this person is now smiling.
Because bese nangale intshebe le e-round nala isabonakala.
Kuphi baba? And also the O-shaped beard, it is still visible from the picture that is displayed on the screen.
And then the date in which the photo was taken, as well as the phone which was used.
Ilanga isithombe wasathatha ngalo ke futhi nomakhalekhukhwini owusebenzisa ngesikhathi sakhe isithombe lesi-ke.
The cell phone isathi Samsung J5.
The cell phone is still reads Samsung J5. May you please scroll up, counsel?
I-date nayo sisho ukuthi sasadilithwa lesithombe la.
This picture was deleted, however the date it reads as follows.
2020 11 12 17 47 seconds.
That was taken during the year 2020 on the 11th month, on the 12th, and then the time would be 1700 hours, 40 minutes and 07 seconds.
We are on page 7, my lord, of exhibit DD4.
That's what's
A.
beside page 7.
B, rather, my apologies. It's on page 2526.
Kasi 2526.
What are your observations?
But yini kuyibonayo lapho baba?
Ngibona umuntu la esithombeni
I see a person from this picture.
ogqoke ingubo ebukeka njenge-tracksuit ebovu.
He is wearing the type of clothes that the person is wearing. It looks like a red tracksuit,
Enesigqoko
which has a hat.
kodwa umuntu olapha akasigqokanga isigqoko.
However, the person that is depicted on the picture, he is not wearing the hat.
And then i-tracksuit eney'ntambo zokubopha la.
And then this set tracksuit, it has lace that one can make use to tie.
Just once more, let me clarify. Is this now hat attached to what you call a tracksuit? Because if you say hat, it might be interpreted differently.
But when isigqoko lesikhuluma ngaso ngabe isigqoko esikhona kule tracksuit lena noma isigqoko nje esingekho kule part ye tracksuit.
Yisigqoko sayo le tracksuit.
The hat, it is attached to this tracksuit.
And then there's your set of data also show the date in which this photo was taken.
Okay, data yakho ke ngabe iyasitshela ukuthi isithombe lesi sathathwa ngaliphi ilanga?
Sikhomba umhla 2019 0706 isikhathi 12 2 minutes 31 seconds.
And then the date reads as follows: 2019/07/06. Then the time it reads as follows: 12:02 and then 31 seconds.
Then sathathwa ngayo iSamsung J5.
This picture was taken with a Samsung J5.
Yilokho ngikubonayo.
That is all that I can see.
And then what are your further observations on the photo itself?
But ngabe yini ke enye futhi obonayo mana lesikhangiso lesi? Lesithombe lesine khona, lesithombe
The
lesi.
photo now, not the data.
But isithombe ngabe yini enye khona ukuthi uyibone ngaphakathi kwaso?
Ayibonakala umuntu ngathi ulele embhedeni. Nale entshale le around la akukho clear akubonakali kahle.
It is not clear enough. It looks like this person is laying on top of a bed, and then even the O shape here is not visible enough.
Yilokho ngikubonayo.
That is all that I can see.
Right. Now page 8,
Ikhasi lesi-80 ke lapho,
it's page 2534.
ikhasi enzansi u-2534.
What are your observations there?
Athi ngabe yini ebonayo ke lapho?
La kubonakala umuntu ogqoke ingubo enemibala ikhomba kuyi tracksuit egrey from la phezulu esigqokweni.
What I can observe from the picture, it is a person who is wearing a tracksuit that has other colors, no many colors. However, from the head of the tracksuit, it is gray in color,
Ukufika la emahlombe
up to his shoulders.
bese la ngaphambili ibonakala inombhalo obhalwe ngokumhlophe
And
bese
then on front, at the front of the tracksuit, it is written in white color.
then inombala omnyama
It also has a black color,
nombala obomvu
red color,
umbala omhlophe
a white color,
nombala omnyama
and a black color.
bese phinde ibe nombala omhlophe futhi
And also it has a white color again.
bese ikhomba ngathi inombala omnyama okuyenzansi onemibhalo emhlophe.
And then it also shows that it has a black color. Then on the black color, it is written in white color, going downwards.
Then kuyabonakala esandleni ugqoke iwash
And then it is visible enough from the hand, there is a wristwatch. From the arm, there is a wristwatch
elinombala obomvu nongathi umnyama.
with a red and a black color, the watch.
Then ubambe emlonyeni
He's holding onto his mouth.
and then ubuso abonakali kahle
Then the face, it is not clear enough.
kodwa naye futhi ugqoke isigqoko
Then this person, he's wearing a hat.
le ehlangene nale tracksuit yakhe isigqoko se-tracksuit.
Then the hat, it is attached to the tracksuit that is wearing.
Yilokho engikubonayo.
That is all that I can observe.
Okay. On your set on your bundle of evidence, can you just place on record on what's written evidence that was given on the 21st of November 2023, page 5.
Bathi Councillor lesihlanu lapho ngaphakathi kofazi ade besicela ngaphambi ngikubuke senkantolo ngelenye
The last page.
saka November. Councillor Gcina.
Can you place on record the highlighted portion?
Bathi laba highlight khona ke
It's
tusifundele
page
lapho
20,
ke
paragraph 21.
paragraph 21.
Okay, kufundeka kanje Miss Mohula. Yes, my lord. There were a couple of hoodie jackets inside the wardrobe. He also, my lord, requested to take one of the hoodies, my lord, which was gray in color, and my lord, if I am not mistaken, he was wearing a red hoodie jacket as well.
Athi ke lapho ke kunkulumo yashicelwa la ngaphambi kwesenkantolo ngelanga la nge-21 zaka November ngonyaka 2023 kade phuma khona ke umbama umukhula ke athi yebo kwesenkantolo ke uma ngabe ngasho kade khona ke ingubo zehood yata nazo lo mlisi othizeni ijacket lapho ke kade sikhona ngaphakathi kweward futhi ne-wardrobe yakhe ke athi uma ngabe ingenzile ke iphutha wacela ukuthi yena kade atheke lapho ke ingubo zakhe noba ingubo enombala o-grey ke lapho ke bathi nkusenkantolo uma ngabe engenzile iphutha lapho kusho ukuthi yena ke wayigqokile futhi ihood enombala obomvu ke.
Okay, now page 22. Just
Councillor 22.
this one, just pretend that one. The highlighted portion.
Athi lela akuphala naye manje laba highlight khona ke ufunde laba highlight khona.
Okay. 20, Mr. Baloyi. Yes, and the gray one. Mr. Zungu, the gray one look exactly like that. Mr. Baloyi, yes, just describe it. Mr. Zungu, it is also a jacket, a jersey-like jacket with a hoodie.
As a practice. These are the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023 on page 22.
Athi ke lapho ke inkulumo eyashicilelwa ke la ngaphansi kwesenkantolo ngelanga la nge-7 inyanga ka 9 September ke lapho ke nyaka 2023 shothi ngiphathwe inkulumo athi khona phakathi kobaba umnumzana uBaloyi nomnumzana uZungu ukuthi yebo shothi i-grey le ngubo yakhona manje le hood legqokile bathi ngathi yebo i-grey kepha ke ifana ngamashina lena ke bathi sicela usitshele ngendlela etshakala ngayo ke lapho ke athi ke uZungu mangabe ephendula lapho noma umnumzana uZungu mangabe sakubephendula futhi ke athi naso seyijacket noma ijezi etshakala nje ukuthi i-hoodie.
Okay, let's proceed to page 23, the next page.
Councillor 23 kade landelayo lo ufunda ke
Just on Zungu, Mr. Zungu, just there on top. I'm not sure if I've highlighted. Page 23.
la ku page 23 la taqedwa highlight khona njengamanje ke awufundele umnumzana babhaleni.
Mr. Zungu, when I look at him, he then made me to notice as to why it is that he changed, because when he walked out, I saw that he had a black one.
Ngaphansi kwenkulumo ke khona ke lapho ke ade khona lo mnumzana uZungu ke ngelanga le7 ngenyanga kaSeptember ngonyaka 2023 ukuthi ngesikhathi ngesikhathi bekambukile waqapha ukuthi kade khona ke lokho aqaphile ukuthi kade khona kushintsho mayelana nodaba kade noma mayelana nento kade ayibona uqhamuka ngesikhathi kade ahamba ngaso-ke noma ngesikhathi aphuma ngaso-ke ehamba ngoba athi into ayibona kuwukuthi kade egqoke ijezi lapho kuyena-ke elinombala omnyama.
Can you now place the time and the type of device that was used to take that picture?
Sokutshele ngesikhathi-ke futhi nento abayisebenzisa ekuthwebuleni isithombe lesi.
Nalapho safana kukhomba kuyi-Samsung SMJ5.
It operates as follows, which to say Samsung SM-J5 model.
Then i-date nesikhathi sifundeka kanje ngu-2019 07/12.
Then the date, it reads as follows, 2019/07/12.
Then isikhathi u-19:25 minutes 16 seconds.
Then the time, it reads as follows, 1900 hours, 25 minutes and 60 seconds.
Thank you.
My Lord, on the point of relevance, all the pictures that this witness has testified about, my Lord, they were taken in 2020. This one was taken in 2019. We are talking about the date of incident which took place in 2014. My Lord, I submit.
Is this what you're trying to prove, sir?
My Lord, what I'm trying to prove is what I said at the beginning, that the person that is depicted on those pictures never had an O-shaped beard. Never. Whether it was 2014, 2013, 2020.
Thank you, my Lord. Then if we are proving ever, I withdraw my objection. I thought we were on the relevant date, my Lord, of the incident.
Is that so?
My-
Okay.
If we are proving ever, then it's okay.
Never. My Lord, it's 3:23. Can we then adjourn until tomorrow? We'll proceed with picture number 9 tomorrow.
Is the witness available to our, are you available, sir?
Khona sasa mnumzane. I will be available, my Lord.
What time?
Skathini baba.
No, if you're saying 11 or 12, whatever.
Inkosi-
Because you come from Middleburg, is it?
Yebo, kodwa ngo-9 ngabe ngila.
Mwananzi la.
Oh, I see.
The witness says at 9 o'clock will be here, my Lord.
10 is fine, my Lord.
They've booked you into the Sheraton, eh?
What are you saying now?
I know all the tricks.
Before you do so, we are sasa.